Oh no! Oh no! Don't fall down! Oh, you messed it up. Come on, get up and run. Get up and run. Come on. Get up, dude.
Get up.
Let's see you run.
Get up.
It's funny.
I know.
Get up.
I give a child what I get to them.
I want to see the run again.
I know. That's so funny. Let's see you run. Come on. We want to see you run.
It's a warrior. Oh, what a fun, huh?
Yeah.
I want to see it again. Run. Mom, get him to do it.
Michelle's working at a daycare.
Make him do it, Mom. Make him do it.
Come on, David, run. Let me see you do your run. Come on, pull your pants up. Pull your pants up, dude.
Oh.
Uh-oh. No, David, it has to be spontaneous, and he's just not.